Hi, this is Jim Brickell from Edlearn Ford Lincoln in St. Catharines, Ontario. Today we're going to give a demonstration of the auto park feature in the Lincoln Corsair. So if you would drive forward. Now you're going to go slow and you're going to hit the P on the parking button. So remember to hit the P.
P on the parking button?
Nope, not that one.
No, call it.
Yeah, the P higher up. This one.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah, hit that.
It's motion.
Okay, now hit active park assist. Okay, stop. Okay. This one is about to not do what we wanted it to do. So hit the X and cancel that out. We're going to back up a little ways if there's no one behind us. Okay. And then you're going to, when available, you're going to get out in the center part of the lane. So turn out and go very slowly and now hit the P button. Hit active park assist and drive forward. Okay.
Forward.
Stop. See, watch the screen. It said stop. Now it says shift to neutral. Now it's telling you to hold that parking button, not the steering wheel. Let go of the steering wheel and hit the P button and hold it. Do not touch the steering wheel.
Stay.
You touched the steering wheel.
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did.
Something, yes, you did.
No, she
I
didn't.
had my hands here.
That's why it canceled it.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Yeah.
jeez. Okay.
You touched the steering wheel, but as you saw, it was able to park.